how-to guide on how to clean the filter on an Indesit washing machine. So you'll locate the filter at the bottom behind this flap. You'll need a flat bladed screwdriver or one of these. Now there's two ways of doing this. You could just try and pull at the sides and it will come undone sometimes. Or the likelihood is you need this, especially if your washing machine is in between two units. Get your knife or your flat bladed screwdriver, start here, move along until it goes inwards. Remember, push in, push in, push in, there we go, we fall in, lift up, same with the opposite side, push in, push up, pull down, and lift out. Now we've got our filter. Get yourself a, it's not really shallow enough, but something shallow, and probably need a towel too. This isn't going to work, is it? Let's face it. And we've got something in there. Right, so we're in this unusual case where the filter, there we go, oh, actually it's come out. So we've got little bits of plastic, ooh, 20p. Right, so we were struggling to get that out then. A little bit of rust. 20p.
Warning. Unplug or isolate the electricity supplied to your machine before carrying out this how-to guide. Thank you.
Oh, and we've also got, sticking our hand in, to one side there is another coin, which is most likely been pushed backwards. So what we're going to do is use our toothbrush and we're going to clean out everything inside here. It's a bit of a rubbish design really, because it allows stuff to go down here but you then can't get it out. Just sticking our finger through and we can sort of push it out. Right, so we'll take this over to the sink and we'll clean the filter. All this gunk off. We'll get a cloth and wipe all this out, then we'll put it back in. Right, let's put our filter back in. We've cleaned it as best we can. This is quite pretty much stained on. We've used our toothbrush to clean the gunk off, etc. in between, over the sink. Right, so to put this back in, we've got a groove here and here, and a groove here and here. You want to make sure one of these gaps goes over this plastic spline here. There's one here and there's one at the top, so it's going in between. There we go. Right, and we're back on. So what we're going to do is switch it to rinse, press start, and as we can see, it's not leaking. So we're going to pause it, we're going to press on off, turn it back on, turn it to spin, press play, Now I've got that noise, it's empty. We'll press pause, we'll press on off, and we're good to go. However, unlike all the other videos, there's a coin stuck further up the tube. Now, hopefully, this little method has now pushed the coin back into the thing. So hopefully when we open, it doesn't really bother me. You will need a shallower bowl, to be honest, at home, a shallower baking tray, and it probably won't catch all the water. It doesn't really bother me too much, because I'm on a solid ground floor. There's carpet, but there's nothing underneath it. That's concrete. It doesn't bother me too much. Ready? Hopefully, when we open this, there should be a coin in there. Yeah! Right, so the coin hasn't come out. Right, so you will need to get an engineer and take this apart. That being said, you shouldn't need to, as the blockage isn't big enough, and hopefully after a couple of cycles the coin that's still in there will come out. So we're going to put this back in and put the coin. Likewise, if you can't turn this at all, it is likely to be so blocked up that you will need an engineer to release the items. It involves basically taking the whole pump off, the rear of the actual pump itself off, and all the sump hoses off. But anyway, to get your kick plate back on, locate these 3 lugs here with these 3 holes. Then push in, and then make sure at the sides here that they're in properly. So to not push, and at this side it's already in. And there we go. And that is how to clean the filter on an Indesit washing machine. I hope you found this video helpful. As regards to the coin that's stuck in there, it should eventually come out, but if not and it gets really stuck or further up the pipe, you'll need an engineer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do your own at home.